Good morning, and it is good morning because the sun isn't out yet. It's really dark outside because, well, I mean, it's 6 o'clock already, so it's not that bad. Anyways, we are headed over to Fueled Up, and it starts at 7:30, so we're getting here early, obviously, to set up. And welcome back to the channel, by the way. I know it's been a minute, but anyways, this is one of the biggest ones besides Cantina that we do with Park Up Front. Fueled Up is Nebraska Furniture House, second Saturday of the month, and that is today. So it gets really big. You guys should come out, seriously. It's a lot of cars, anything from exotics to, although a lot of our exotics are out due to a rally that Park Up Front is doing this weekend. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna be working the gates probably, or working somewhere else, so I'm not gonna be recording. But I have my videographer holding the camera right now, aka Rockwell Girl. Go ahead and follow her on her Instagram. She takes awesome pictures, but she's gonna be doing some little videos here and there for me so that I can go ahead and make a video for you guys, since I don't get a chance to make videos for you guys while I'm working. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video, enjoy the content, and let me know what your favorite car is. All right.